Question number 3 says that there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with the message, "Keep the park green and clean." If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, we have to find the area which is painted in color. So as we may observe that the area to be painted in color is a triangle, we may use Heron's formula to find the required area. So we may start by first finding its perimeter, which is found by adding up all the sides. So we add 11 meters plus 6 meters plus 15 meters. So we can write 2s, where s is the semi-perimeter, to be equal to 32 meters. From this we can calculate the semi-perimeter s of this given triangular wall to be equal to 16 meters. Now let's write the Heron's formula, by which we can calculate the required area. So we write A equals under root S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C meter square, where S is the semi-perimeter and A, B, C are the three sides of a given triangle. So as we know all these values, let's plug them in and we write under root 16 times 16 minus 11 times 16 minus 6 times 16 minus 15. So on further calculation, we get that as 16 times 5 times 10 times 1. So this gives us the area which is painted in color to be equal to 20 root 2 meter square. And that is the answer for this question.
To know more about how QMath can help you become a master of math, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program taught by highly experienced and committed teachers.